Here's an overview of the living room space that I am decorating today. So this is a real version of what it looks like after you have dealt with a sick baby all night, lounging on the couch. It's the weekend, so I'm gonna tidy up the space. I plan on decluttering the spaces, and yeah, so let's get to it. Decorating is more on the cozy minimal side. I'm here to show you that you don't have to have a lot of things in your home to make it homey. You don't have to break the bank either. You can literally use what you have to create a space that you love. And if you like this type of content, be sure to stick around for more.
As you drive, do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on, I put my feet up, and we just sing along. And I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever?
I wanted to show you guys what the inside of the vacuum looks like after I have done. I basically did the living room, the dining room, and the hallway. So yeah, this is all the gunk inside of my floors, which is crazy because you won't be able to see it with just a regular vacuum. That's why I love the rainbow vacuum. This is not a sponsored video, but I just wanted to show you guys all the nastiness inside. So I'm gonna dump this out, and it doesn't have a filter, so this is the filter, the water, and you just refresh it. And you just put more water in it whenever you're finished.
With you everything's complete. Do you know how much I love you? I put your favorite song on just to wake you up. When I dance around, I can't help but feeling, I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever, forever, forever. I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment.
I'm going to wipe the ceiling fan. I saw it's a little dusty up there. I should have did it before I vacuumed, but it is what it is. I did wipe this ottoman down. It was like some stuff on it, so I wiped that down when I was wiping down everything. So this came from the ceiling fan. Oh, it was dusty, y'all. But yeah, it's done. I just wanted to show you guys that I did do it. And yeah, so let's get to decorating, shall we? Alright guys, so it's not that much, but I do have some other things I want to pull out the garage that I wanted to freshen up for the spring that I kept from last year. But these are the new items. I got these pillows. I got everything you see here from Hobby Lobby, and I got it during their you know how they do the weekly sale, so you have to catch it every other week. It changes. So this was 50% off of $24.99, and then these were also 50% off of $24.99. So I thought these were really pretty. I don't know guys, I didn't realize that frame was wider than these frames. I guess I didn't think about it, but I'm putting these two up here for now. I don't know how that's going to look overall. I'm going to take the clock down, but I don't know how that's going to look overall. It's giving me like, you know, like the L-shaped vibe right here, like to do something else right here, but I don't want my walls to be covered up with stuff, so I just don't know. But yeah, the clock is about to come down, and I may just put one on each side. I don't know guys, we'll see. Put this little ledge up there with a plant. I do have a second ledge that I'm gonna try to put up there as well. I don't know if it's gonna look right. Maybe I should just leave it as one, but I don't know. I've been had these little ledges. I think I got these from Amazon a while back. Sorry if it gets noisy. All the kids are woken up. But this is how I was thinking about doing it, like this. So for right now, I'm just gonna leave it like it is. And then if you guys let me know in the comments if you think I should add a second ledge or not. I'm leaning to adding it, but at the same time, I don't want it to be too much going on. I just want it to be simple and cozy and just, you know, straight to the point. But I think this little ledge did what it needed to do.